Hi guys, hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. Looking at now on gold, if we look at the 15-minute chart, we can see that after breaking this resistance line, this is a significant level of resistance. We have seen that gold had a huge breakdown from this level. Now that breakdown might give now gold another momentum for further drop, as we have already taken a trade from this level to this zone, and now we will look for another entry. First of all, let's quickly look at the bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall direction in the market. Now from the monthly, we can see that gold, after creating this huge bullish momentum, creating an all-time high, there has been significant rejection. On the first week of the month, we saw there is a huge volatility, and because the price had a big rejection, we might see that with that drop, gold is breaking down to this support level, breaking that low, or even we could see that gold is breaking down all this low to create a new lower low. If we look at the weekly time frame here, we can see that from the weekly, the price action a bit more clearer. There is a sharp drop from the weekly, which is a very long bearish candle, as the price approaching that zone where we could see that with that move, the price in the first place, we could see that breaking that 2000 level and even breaking that low to create a new lower low this week. So we can expect further downside on gold from the weekly as well. Now looking at the daily time frame, as expected from the daily, we can see that the price has reached that zone where all the sellers in that area, and the price is forming series of lower high getting rejected. And what I think that gold today, after testing this daily support, we might see another pullback and then continuation to the downside. This is the daily 20 EMA, and we could see that the price is testing that level. As well as previous day, there is a middleman. A complete breakdown from that structure will give gold further probability to drop to create a new lower low, as this is the weekly support. And we could see that with that move, gold is breaking 2000 level, and then later we might see further pullback to the upside to fill some of the imbalance in the upside. Now if we look at the 4 hour, we saw there was a 20 MA retest, and from that zone there is an immediate rejection as this candle closing in 30 minutes. What I think that gold buyers might try to fill some of that zone, and then we could see that gold is coming down to this weekly support level. Looking at the 15 minutes chart to see how the price action is doing, now we saw there is a this move was a complete liquidity grab, a complete breakout from this resistance, and we saw that immediate rejection, which currently showing bearish price action. I will be waiting for another pullback to the upside, especially this is a liquidity zone, and we could see gold again breaking that liquidity zone and then dropping down further. So this is where, as you can see here, is the weekly support level that we are expecting gold to drop down. As this is the 15 minutes move, we can expect a decent pullback and then continuation to the downside. This is where I will be waiting for another entry on gold. As soon as we see that gold has dropped down to this support level, we will consider going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you enjoy this analysis, make sure that you like it and also follow me in social media. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.